The kids are so happy to see a rainbow. Huh, Lakota? Yeah, halo saw once. Hi, Lakota. Hi, darling. Look at mommy here.
Hi.
Yes. Hi. Hi. And...
Sí que m'agrada.
Wow. Yes, Daddy?
M'agrada molt. Sí,
Do you like
m'agrada.
it?
Sí, m'agrada molt les samarretes de màniga llarga així.
Yes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May. Hello guys, good afternoon. Late na akong nagsimulang mag-vlog guys kasi nakalimutan ko. Wala akong planong mag-vlog, but then I remember that today is March 19, 2021 and it is Father's Day here in Spain. And also, it is my husband's Saint Day guys. Kaya mag-vlog tayo today. But Lakota and I went out. Yes, my husband isn't here today. He's at the main office. And yeah, yun. Kaninang umaga, Lakota and I, we sent Hailey to school. Yes, and then umuwi kami, guys. Nag-breakfast kami ni Lakota. And then after that, lumabas kami, bumili kami ng gift for my husband. So, bumili kami ng isang long sleeve kasi spring na dito very soon in 19, today is 19 2021. Wow, in 2 days spring na guys, but this weekend sabi nila na ano guys, ang weather forecast natin dito sa Spain is malamig guys. -1 yun yung pinaka lowest and yung highest is 13 degrees kaya malamig. Mag-barbecue sana kami bukas Saturday. Pero, yun nga guys, yung weather hindi maganda. Makulimlim, malamig, at saka mahangin daw bukas. Yun ang weather forecast. Kaya, hindi matutuloy yung barbecue namin bukas. Yeah, so, maybe tonight we're going to celebrate something. Yes, for tonight, konti lang guys ang ano namin tonight. Kasi my husband woke up very early today. Kasi nga, pumunta siya sa main office. And also, Friday. So, my husband is very tired, I'm sure. Kaya, siguro, konti lang yung celebration namin. Bigay na lang namin yung presents. And also, maybe a little bit of food. Yes, something like that, guys. And, oh yeah. If not, we will celebrate it tomorrow, guys. Saturday. Yes. So, yun, guys. Katatapos ko lang kumain ng lunch. Yeah, kumain na kami ni Lakota. And I'm going to take coffee. May binili kaming croissant kanina. So, yun ang i-partner natin sa ating coffee. Okay, guys. So, sunduin natin mamaya si Hailey. Yes. After an hour, sunduin natin siya. And then, uwi na kami dito. At saka, 4 o'clock matatapos si Habi. And then, 2 hours yung drive niya from home. Kaya, before 6, nandito na yun siya. Sana nga matapos siya ng on time na 4 o'clock. Kasi, pag ma-extend yung meeting, alam nyo naman, maraming mga pag-usap-usapan ganun. Sana hindi ma-extend kasi pagod na si Javi. Yeah. Tapos mag-drive pa siya ng 2 hours. Kaya yun. Hopefully, before 6 nandito na siya. And I'm not sure if we are going to our new place. Kung hindi kami makapunta this afternoon, we are going tomorrow. Yes. Tapos, kahapon pala guys, may bisita ako kahapon. Insert ko yung video kung i-insert ko yung few clips. Nakalimutan kong mag-vlog guys kasi nga chika ng chika, ganun. Kaya hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Kaya insert ko na lang yung mga very short clips na nakuha ko guys. Yes. So, she is Pamela and they live here also guys. In our place, not totally in our place, but to another town, which is 40 minutes away from me. Yes. Tapos, yung isa pa na Pinay din, 40 minutes away din from me. Pero matagal na kami hindi nagkita. Yes. So, nag-message siya kanina sa akin. Kaninang umaga, yung isang Pinay. Tapos sabi niya na by April daw mag-reunion kami. So, yun ang gagawin namin, guys. By April, kasi maganda na ang weather that time, I'm sure. Yun, magkikita-kita kaming mga Pinay na nandito. So, yun guys, maging masaya yun. Yes, so kahapon, nagluto kami ng sinigang. Yes, ang sarap guys, sinigang na baboy. Tapos, nagluto din kami ng pansit bihon. So, yung pansit bihon, yun yung kinain namin for lunch. Yes. Tapos, may konti pa na natira. So, maybe Hailey will eat that for tonight. Kasi kahapon, hindi naman siya kumain ng pansit kahapon. Kasi ang inubos namin ay yung sinigang na baboy. Yun ang inubos namin kahapon, guys. So, yes. Ang sarap kasi inubos namin kagabi yung sinigang na baboy. My husband is home.
Hello, baby.
Yes, guys. So my husband is home already. Finally, and we are going to the new place. That's why. And our dogs are very happy too. They keep on barking because they want to come and say hello to their daddy, to their human daddy. That is why, guys, they keep on barking. Maybe you hear them barking. And Lakota here. And what are you eating? What are you eating, Lakota?
Chocolate.
Lakota is eating chocolate. So enough, okay, darling? Beautiful rainbow.
Simba.
The kids are so happy to see a rainbow, huh, Lakota? Yeah, Halo saw once, and yes, Hailey only twice. Maybe yes, you saw many times, but maybe you don't remember. Rainbow, and the dogs are enjoying running here. Uwi na kami, guys. Kasi gabi na. Bukas ulit. Mga aso. Hi, mga aso. Sí. Y así, després de sopar, ano nun, al sofà, i ficaran els seus llits i els pares descansin.
I podran mirar a la tele una pel·lícula d'enamorats.
Hello guys, so dito na kami sa bahay. Bumili kami ng pizza, beers, and other kind of drinks. So yun guys, and some dessert. Yes, so we'll show you the pizza. We have pizza night today. Yung box na yun, hindi ko pa nabuksan. That's Hailey's car seat. So, ito yung pizza for hubby. Ito yung gusto niya. And this is mine. Yes, magkakaiba kami guys. Bella Napoli. This one. And this is for Hailey. Hailey loves this pizza so much. And we also bought chickens for the dog. And yung pagkain ni Lakota before, kumain siya ng rice and how do you call this? Pancit bihon. Hello, Everest. Is it good? Hailey's food? We are watching. What are we watching? Henry Danger. Henry Danger. Captain Man. Yes, everyone, while we are waiting for the pizza. Yes. Hi, Lakota, tali. Hi. Do you like Captain Man? What about the Henry Danger? Do you like Henry Danger? No? And you, Hailey, which one you like?
The two.
You like the two of them, huh?
I like Charlotte.
You like Charlotte? Charlotte. Charlotte. Say Charlotte.
Charlotte. It's hot.
Beer.
Mira.
Lakota? Lakota eats pizza too.
En agenda het parecita.
For Lakota, no, it's for? It's for Daddy. Wow, Daddy's still eating his pizza. Wow, Lakota gave one and Hailey gave one. Yes, from the three of us. Yes, Daddy. No, Daddy will open it. It's Daddy's present.
Papa. Mira aquí hicimos sobre mí.
No.
Wow! Wow! Això sí que m'agrada.
Wow. Yes, Daddy.
M'agrada molt. Sí,
Do you like
m'agrada.
it?
Sí, m'agrada molt les samarretes de màniga llarga així.
Yes. It's for now, no?
It's for now.
Yes.
Wow!
Yes, Daddy.
Thank you. Espera, que pot obrir la pota. Pots agafar, carinyo? M'agrada molt.
que no.
Thank you, guapes. Mira.
And Lakota is opening.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
It's for men. Yes.
Stop arrugues.
Stop arrugas.
Ah, doncs molt bé. Gràcies, guapes.
Sí, carinyo.
Thank
Està
you.
bé, amor mayo?
Sí, molt, molt, molt. I'm so happy with this. No m'esperava cap regal. Un petó a la cota. Thank you, guapes.
Uy,
Thank you so much. I'm happy.
molt bé, amor mayo.
Sí, però jo estic content, sí. Sí, molt bé. Un petó, carinyo. M'ha pujat la cervesa al cap. No estic acostumat.
Maybe you drank too much
I no
beer.
dormir. Wow!
Yes, it's for Daddy.
Això pujaré demà al matí. Ara a la nit no. Demà al matí. Millor, que reduïm les arrugues. Però no estic molt bé, no? Què us sembla, noia?
No, no. Estàs molt bé.
Thank you so much, guapes. Happy Father's Day.
And happy Saint's Day. Yes. Oh.
Guapas.
So tayo guys. So this is croquant, poker croquant. And we also have these truffles. Chocolate truffles. Ito guys, kain tayo. Masarap din ito. Hailey said that this is good too. Yeah, my husband is eating his dessert. Is it good, Daddy?
Very good.
Yes. So, ito yan siya, guys. Ayan. Nakat na siya. Masarap yan siya, guys. Lakota, did you try the truffles? Come, eat then. Eat, darling. Eat. Show them how you eat.
Tá boníssim.
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yummy? Kain tayo. Open your mouth. Mmm. Yummy.
Mama. Hello, Mama.
I go keep them, okay? Because these are ice creams.
En kind je me bang francês ou inglês?
Good night, everyone. May mga laruan dito sa sofa, guys. Good night, everyone. Hailey is sleeping already, and Lakota is still awake, and she doesn't want to go and sleep, huh?
No.
It's late, darling. It's time to sleep. It's 10:30.
Oh.
And hubby is sleepy too. He's very tired because he woke up very early because he had to leave early too. That is why, guys. And then he drove 4 hours, 2 hours going to work and then 2 hours coming back home. Kaya ayun, my husband is exhausted. OMG, and I am exhausted. Ang dilim.
The dogs woke up.
Yeah, because the dogs,
And they will
no, not dogs,
up
but
early.
Everest. Everest, guys, is the name of our dog, the second one. Yeah, I told you before that her name is Snow, but the kids, they prefer Everest. We voted Everest. Yes, because Everest is, you know, the highest mountain of the world. And this dog is Pyrenean Mastiff.
Guapa.
Right, Daddy? Pyrenean Mastiff and Spanish Mastiff.
Zeg maar Frans mahal.
So yun, guys, sa bundok talaga siya nakatira. I mean, pang bundok talaga yung aso namin. Kaya yun, we had chosen to call her Everest. Yes. Tapos, this kind of dog daw, this kind of dogs are originally from Nepal, sweetie. Where? Oh,
No,
Mongol.
the Mastiff they come from Tibet.
So the Mastiff,
The origin
they,
of the first line of Mastiff.
yes,
The first Mastiff.
the first Mastiff came from Tibet. That is why, guys, kaya perfect ang pangalan ni Everest. Yes, so yun, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Yes, and share if you want to. And yeah, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog namin kahit na very short lang ang vlog na ito. Thank you all so much again for watching and for supporting our channel, and hope to see you again with a brand new video. Bye. Good night. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night, everyone. Say good night, guys.
Good night.